Hi everyone, today I'm showing everybody my Maisto assembly line Pontiac Solstice. This model is out of production, but it's one of my favorite cars. It's a 2006 Pontiac Solstice. It comes with two-tone interior. You can see on the seats and the dashboard. It's one of those beautiful cars that came out by General Motors back in 2006, and it ended production in 2010. This one is the base model. It came with 177 horsepower and was one of my favorite cars. I actually own a car this color, but not with the two-tone seats. If you like my videos, please click and subscribe. Also, if you have any gift ideas or gift things, put them in the comment. Also, on my link is my bio for my Amazon influencer account. There are many models and different car stuff that you can look through and get ideas for your favorite car enthusiasts. Thank you so much for your time again today. Thank you for watching.